Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. New rechargeable battery from Parkside, 20 volt 4 ampere hours, the model PAP 204A1, compatible with all X20 volt Team series devices, with cell balancing, longer battery life, increased lifespan, with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product. Manual. And here it is a battery, LED indicator, and here X20 volt Team series. Press this button and we can see the indicator, green light right now, it is near fully charged, red low charge, orange color medium charge, and green maximum charge. You can use a 2.4 amps regular charger, plug it in, and we can see it's charging, is slowly flashing. Or if you want, you can use the fast charger 4.5 amps. It is your choice. 4 ampere hours. Just to make a comparison, we can see at the bottom we have soft elements around. It will stay very secure at any surface with your tool. Nice grip. A comparison with the oldest battery. Here we have the button to check the battery capacity, red, orange and green. And here only one color. If it is on medium charge, orange again, and low charge, red color. Connections of course are the same. You can use with all power tools from Parkside. The thickness is the same. Yep. Yep. Same thickness. Length, width, and the weight more or less is the same. Now, how it looks inside, what parts it has, we don't know that. So I have the curiosity definitely to see what parts it has the new battery inside, compare it of course with the oldest battery. So, time for disassemble. With this battery I have made a video with a wall sounder. You can check that video after the end of this video, right in the corner or down below in the description. So let's start to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Okay, there it is. The housing, we have in the screws, thick housing, very durable, definitely. And here we have the transparent plastic for the LED indicators, the release button, and here it is how it looks. 2. Okay, I like the number here. Just take a look, take your time. We have 2 LED indicators in both sides, another 2 here. The connections for the batteries. Li-ion batteries, 18650 cells, 10 of these cells, 2000 mAh, 3.7 volts. I like the BMS. And here of course is the connections, positive and negative connection. So let's open the old battery and make the comparison. And again here we have in the button, spring loaded, the housing, soft elements at the bottom, compare it with the oldest, and here we have soft elements. Screws are larger at the oldest model. New model has smaller screws. And again we have the same cells, Li-ion 3.7 volts 2000 mAh, 10 18650 cells. I just press the button. Here it is the button for the battery capacity, 3 LEDs. And here it is the button to check the capacity for the new battery. Very bright LEDs. I like it. So, both batteries, different BMS, better. Another BMS here to check the battery capacity. Now you know, you are smarter. You know how it looks, both batteries inside. I really like the build quality, the clear charger indicator, and the reliable runtime for everyday DIY and workshop tasks. As I mentioned, I have tested with the wall sander. You can check that video after the end of this video. It's exactly what you want from a spare or replacement battery. Yep, the length is the same. Just to have in mind, this is not a smart battery, it is the regular battery but with a new design. This one is a smart battery, Bluetooth connectivity, 8 ampere hours and 4 ampere hours with a larger capacity, different cells. So let's assemble everything. Now we know how it looks. And again, I like the build quality. So, There it is. If you are moving beyond simple screwdriving and into heavier tasks like sewing or grinding, this 4Ah new battery from Parkside is a total essential. It gives your tools the lungs they need to finish the job without you constantly running back to the charger. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more Parkside tool tests, batteries and workshop gear. Thanks for watching, keep your tools powered, and I'll see you in the next one.